Renowned for its pungent flavor and medicinal properties, offers a multitude of health benefits. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a valuable addition to one's diet. Ginger can aid in reducing muscle pain and soreness, and it may even alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis. Moreover, ginger has been known to help with nausea and digestion, making it a natural remedy for upset stomachs. On the other hand, raisins, dried grapes bursting with natural sweetness, provide a nutritious punch. They are a rich source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as iron and potassium. Consuming raisins can support better digestion, boost energy levels, and contribute to healthy skin. Together, ginger and raisins form a dynamic duo of health-enhancing ingredients that can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes and snacks. Ingredients: ginger, raisins,